Hello students, my dear students, in this video I am going to read about the poem that is Questions, and this poem is written by Julia Donaldson. Before I start the poem, I want to tell you the main theme of the poem. Actually, in this poem, the poet asks a series of questions about where human beings came from, and Julia Donaldson asks how we travel from the past to now, and she asked how and when the universe started, and if there was a big bang when it did. She wonders if we will ever know it. The poet asks why the dinosaurs, who were once the rulers of the earth, became extinct. She also surprises when our ancestors from apes began to look like man. And she wonders if anyone can explain why the ice melted after the ice age, and if anyone can turn the clock back and unwind time to find answers to these questions. Will we ever find out where we came from or be able to predict where we are going? She wants to know if there is really someone who is in charge of this show that is life on earth. Now I'm going to start this stanza number 1. How? Who can say how? How did we travel from then until now? Galaxies hurl and hurtled apart. How in the world did the whole thing start? Was there a bang? How long ago does anyone anywhere really know? So in the poem, poet wants to ask who can say how? Can anybody answer this? How and where we come from? How did we travel from then until now? Here, then refers to the time when the universe is believed to have begun, and now refers to the present time when human beings have evolved. So इसमें जो पॉइंट है वो ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि हाउ डिड वी ट्रेवल फ्रॉम देन अंटिल नाउ, पास से लेके अब जो है हम लोगों ने कैसे ट्रैवल किया. गैलेक्सीज हर्ल एंड हर्टल्ड अपार्ट. Here hurled and hurtled apart means you may see the meaning also. It is given just below the poem कि moved with a great speed and force in different directions. ठीक है, तो पॉइंट क्या कहता है कि शी आस्क हाउ वी ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द पास्ट टू नाउ एज गैलेक्सीज हर्ल्ड अपार्ट एंड एक्सपेंडेड. How in the world did the whole thing start? And she asked how and when the universe started. If was there a bang? How long ago? And poet is asking कि if there was a big bang when it did, क्या कोई एक big bang theory थी जो चली यहाँ? Does anyone anywhere really know? तो वो काफ़ी wondered है, surprised है if we will ever know the answer, कि if anybody can answer this question कि how and where we came from. Now come to the second stanza. Why? Who can see why? Why did the dinosaur dynasty die? Here poet पूछते कि who? The poet asks why the dinosaurs who were the ruler of the earth became extinct. ठीक है, who were the rulers of the earth became extinct. वो क्यों extinct हो गए? ठीक है, why should a beast whose power was colossal here means enormous, big in size, and beast means an animal. Why should a beast whose power was colossal give up the ghost and turn into fossil? Here give up the ghost means you may see the meaning कि here die and became extinct. Die and became extinct. तो पॉइंट कहता है कि why this powerful animal got die and it turned into a fossil. Give us a clue. Why was it so? Can anybody solve this riddle? Why was it so? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Does anyone anywhere really know? कि क्या सच में कोई इसे जानता है? क्या इसका जवाब मुझे मिल सकता है? Now the third stanza. When? Who can say when? When did our ancestors turn into man? So a poet कहते हैं कि ये सब कब हुआ, कब हमारे जो एंसेस्टर्स से एक ह्यूमन बीइंग में कन्वर्ट हो गए, एप से ह्यूमन बीइंग में कन्वर्ट हो गए, तो ये सब कब हुआ. स्विंगिंग अबाउट इन द फैमिली ट्री. Swinging about in the family tree, when did they start to look something like me? तो पॉइंट जो है here the aspect of evolution is referred कि human beings evolved from apes. There is a step by step phenomena. And when did they start to look something like me? कि ये जो human beings हैं, ये जो man है, when did जो है they human brain begin to grow and evolve this complex organ that is, ठीक है, heavy weight brain, when did you grow, does anyone really know? तो पॉइंट कहते हैं कि ये कब हुआ कि ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है उनका जो ब्रेन है वो इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ऑर्गन बन गया, क्या कोई जानता है, क्या कोई इसे बता सकता है? Who can say who can unravel a riddle or two? Unravel means here solve the riddle, कि क्या कोई इस रिडल को सॉल्व कर सकता है? Melting the ice, unwinding the clock. Melting the ice, unwinding the clock. So in this stanza, in these lines, here the poetess wonders if anyone can explain why the ice melted after the ice age, and if anyone can turn the clock back and unwind the time to find answer to these questions. Now, who will take the lid off the mystery box? Lid off means here open the mystery box. Mystery box बच्चों यहाँ पे पूरे यूनिवर्स के लिए यूज किया गया है. The poetess want to learn the secret of the universe, such as how, why, and when it is started. Where do we come from and where do we go? कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं and where do we go, हम कहाँ जाएंगे? And who can say who is in charge of show? Does anyone anywhere really know? So here show means here life on the earth, कि कौन सी शो की बात की गई है? It is a life on earth. तो पॉइंट कहते हैं कि who is in charge of this show? Does anyone anywhere really know? कि क्या सच में इसे कोई जानता है? ठीक है, कि which force is responsible for the life on earth? कि क्या कोई इस चीज़ को जानता है? Does anyone really know